Then let's go to make here. Go to make the small flower. If smaller size, we can make it in the wire 0.8 or the 1 millimeter. Let me try. Here, make the flower smaller. I think there are two ways to make this flower. Two ways to make this flower. Here. This one. I see someone they make it so nice. Here. Let me try one piece first. Let's make a little 8 here. This one. Here. Hi, Cos9. Happy to see you. Okay. So this is the one way to make. Yeah. One way to make. And if you going to attach the piece, you want it to keep it not be out of shape, hammer here. Hammer. This part can be hammer. And the hammer. Let me hammer to show you. Okay. Hammer the outside. So this is not going to be out of shape. Here. See here. This one. This is the piece that is like this. But this time this is a try sample. So we can going to make it smaller. Trouble adding you to blah blah blah. You can message me. I try to add you. Here. This one. So I'm going to make the second piece to make it smaller. Let's make it smaller. Here. test to make it the smaller. Okay. Smaller is just need to fold the loop more small, or we can change the wire thinner. But I want to use the wire 1 mm to make it here. This one here. Test another way. Cut. Still this way better, so I will continue by this way. Flower, yes, it's going to make a flower, dear. Hi. Hello, Juju. Happy to see you. 它有贴纸的呗，它这边好几个贴纸。Here. Buying the tree is so much easier. Okay, I'm going to make it by the wire thinner. 它有好几张贴纸的，看到没？ I changed to use the 0.8. This one. When you got the way how to make architrave is not so much hard. Smaller. Here. this way first. Try your best to make the loop small, and then tight. Here I use the wire is 0.8 here. So down, then cut. Okay. 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 Here. Smaller, smaller, the bigger. Got it. Yeah. If you want to make this one, you need to make a 2/8 wrapper and use the thinner wire, tie them together. This here, we are not going to tie the two together. We just make it here. And hammer it so it's not easy out of shape. I love hammer.